Good morning students. Page number 300, illustration 4, illustration 5, illustration 6 already finished for the sum. Homework for student, same question, model question for exercise number, page number 321, exercise number 4, exercise number 5, question number 6 for students homework. Now illustration 7, work out this sum. From the following balance sheet, Aruna Limited as on 31st March 2019, calculate same question. Point number 1, debt to equity ratio, proprietary ratio, capital gearing ratio. You know for the already formula, debt to equity ratio, long term debt include for debentures, bonds, long term loans and other long term borrowings. Shareholder funds, equity share capital, preference share capital plus reserve and surplus. Now first formula, debt to equity ratio. Now find out for the first question. Debt equity ratio equal to long term debt divided shareholders fund. Debt equity ratio formula, long term debt divided shareholders fund. Long term debt, you consider that long term debt, long term borrowings 9% on debentures. You know the formula, long term debt means long term debt include for debentures, bonds, loans, long term loans, other borrowings. Up you select for the long term debt, only for long term borrowings 9% of debentures. Don't consider for the percentage, only take for the whole amount. Of how much rupees? Long term rupees for 4 lakhs. Long term debt equal to 4 lakhs. Next, shareholders fund. Find out shareholders fund. You know for the shareholders fund, shareholder funds means equity share capital plus preference share capital plus reserves and surplus. You find out for the equity share capital how much rupees? 1,50,000. Preference share capital how much rupees? 2 lakhs. Reserve and surplus 1,50,000. Shareholder funds, equity share capital 1,50,000 plus preference share capital 2 lakhs. Reserve and surplus 1,50,000. Total 5 lakhs. Now find out for the answer. Long term debt how much rupees? 4 lakhs. Shareholder fund how much rupees? 5 lakhs. 50 divided remaining 4 divided 5. अब automatic order for the top of the number less than bottom of the number. 4 divided 5 arithmetic 0 point. You order for the consider for 40. 5 into 40, 5 into 8 into 40. 0.8 is to 1. Debt to equity ratio 0.8 is 1. Second point, proprietary ratio. Second point, proprietary ratio. What formula? Shareholders fund divided total assets. Shareholder funds, how much rupees? Already you find it for the shareholder funds. Shareholder funds, this sum already find it for equity share capital, preference share capital, reserve and surplus. How much rupees? 5 lakhs. Ab automatically take for the shareholder fund 5 lakhs divided total asset. Total asset you consider, see the question, see the asset side. Total asset means non-current asset and current asset. Non-current asset 7,50,000, current asset 1,20,000, 1,20,500, 2,500. Total current asset you consider that 10 lakhs. Automatically you take for 10 lakhs. Now 50 divided, remaining 5 divided 10. Automatically less than amount for the 5. Up automatically you take for the 0 point. Order for the 1 digit 0. Up automatically take for the 50. 10 into 5, 50. Up find the answer. 0.5 is 1. Proprietary ratio 0.5 is to 1. Third point, capital gearing ratio. Capital gearing ratio. What formula? Capital gearing ratio. Fund fearing fixed interest and dividend divided equity shareholders funds. Fund fearing fixed interest and dividend, how much rupees? You see the formula. Capital gearing ratio. Fund fearing fixed interest and dividends means preference share capital, debentures, bonds, long term borrowing, fixed interest. You see the question. First one, preference share capital, how much rupees? 2 lakhs. Next, debentures, how much rupees? You see the debentures, 4 lakhs. Next, bonds, no. Long term borrowings, interest, no. Ab automatically take for fund fearing interest and dividends, preference share capital, two lakhs. Plus debentures 4 lakhs. Total 6 lakhs. Equity shareholder funds equal to equity shareholder means equity shareholder funds, equity share capital plus reserve and surplus. You see the question. Equity share capital how much rupees? 1,50,000. Reserve and surplus 1,50,000. Our total for 3 lakhs. Equity share capital fund rupees. Equity share capital plus reserves and surplus. Equity share capital rupees 1,50,000. Reserve and surplus 1,50,000. Total 3 lakhs. Find out the formula. Fund fearing fixed interest and dividends. Fund fearing fixed dividend interest 6 lakhs. Automatic for the 6 lakhs. Capital gearing ratio. Divided equity shareholder fund how much rupees? Equity shareholder fund rupees 3 lakhs. Divided 50 divided remaining 1 2 3 6 2 is 1 2 is 1 2 is to 1 is capital gearing ratio. Next page number 304. Next new topic for turnover ratios. The turnover ratio show how efficiently asset other items can be used generate revenue from operation. Your business you generate for the revenue from the efficiency asset for the business. The 4 concept is important for turnover ratio. First one inventory turnover ratio. Second one trade receivable turnover ratio. Third one trade payables turnover ratio. Fourth one fixed asset turnover ratio. Now see one by one. Inventory turnover ratio. The inventory turnover ratio means the time of inventory turnover they make the revenue from the operation and during the sales for the accounting period. Now see the formula. Inventory turnover ratio equal to